Baka naman may mga scammer dyan na ready to take your hard-earned money, and we don't want that. Ready to make your dream home a reality. Pero hold up. Before you get all excited and start imagining your perfect living room, may I just drop a major truth bomb? Baka naman may mga scammer dyan na ready to take your hard-earned money, and we don't want that. So, let's be smart, okay? Minsan kasi, sobrang ganda ng pitch ng mga contractors. Feeling mo magiging perfect lahat. But, there are red flags na baka hindi mo nakikita. Here's the tea. Big deposits upfront. Red flag pare. You don't pay everything in advance unless you're buying a car or something. Suddenly, unreachable sila. Oops. Big no-no. Ang contractors, kung legit, should be in touch kahit malamang busy sila. Pangako lang, but no follow through. If they say one thing, but do another, baka you're headed for trouble. No clear contract, ano yon? Parang nag-order ka ng pagkain tapos walang resibo. Saan pupunta ang pera mo? But don't worry, kaya natin to. Here's the good news. You can avoid all of that. You just need to ask the right questions, get everything in writing, yes, even the tiniest details, and trust your gut. If something feels off, better move on. It's your dream home after all. So let's make sure it's built by people who know what they're doing and hindi yung magpapanggap lang, haha. And hey, if may friend kang magpaparenovate or magpapabuild, tag mo na sila dito.